walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Hi guys, it's Michelle and I'm just here very quickly to do a bit of a wig review with you. So this wig that I'm wearing just now, this is MAXX by Estetica Designs in the shade R628F. Now she is just absolutely stunning. So this is just a really cute little bob style. Now the cap on this I am so excited about. We have a lace front, and so that just looks like those hairs are growing out your own head, and we have a total monofilament top, so you can part this anywhere you like and it will just look very, very natural. It will look like that's your own scalp. Now have I just middle parted this possibly? Okay, so let me see. So this is the gorgeous MAXX wig. So the bang length on this, the front fringe bang type thing, is 6 inches. I have obviously swept it over to the side. I quite like her like this, but you know, depending on how you want to wear it, you can change that parting left, right, centre, zigzag, whatever you kind of fancy. Now the side lengths, we've got 1.5 inches at the sides, just on these very side parts here. 5.5 inches at the crown and 1.25 inches at the nape. I'll turn around and I'll let you see how she looks at all sides. She's just such a really beautiful, gorgeous wig. And she does come in all your kind of favourite shades by Estetica Designs. She is just so, so beautiful. I just absolutely love her. So this is MAXX. This is new, coming out in December 2024 for you guys. She will be available at MIMO wigs, so keep your eyes peeled for the launch of these gorgeous wigs, the Essentials collection. This is absolutely beautiful, and this is, let me show you the cap on the inside. We have this lace front running into this total monofilament top, single mono top, lace front. We have open wefted sides and back, and the ear tabs here are just flat, look at metal stays inside, and we have your kind of hook closures for the adjustable circumference at the nape, so you can tighten that, you can loosen it. She has an average size of cap, so yeah. So there you go, there we have MAXX from Estetica Designs. So she's really gorgeous, really beautiful. You can obviously style her how you want. If you want to be kind of pulling it back off your face because you have that gorgeous lace front, you can do that. You can just mess about with her, you can play with her, you can just do as you please, wear her as you like. Tuck it behind your ears, wear it down. You know, at the end of the day, in a box it's a wig, on your head it's your hair. I know I kind of say this all the time, but it's so true. So just treat it like your own hair and style it what kind of suits you. When wigs come straight from box, we can put them on sometimes and be thinking, I'm not really sure if that's me, I'm not sure if that's my style, it doesn't kind of sit right. So you just play around with it and change the parting to how you want your parting to be. Use some product if you want to use products. You can make this very piecey and you could have it looking totally different. I'll maybe get some photos that I can kind of show different ways of styling this, but yeah, this is just to show you her how she comes. She's absolutely beautiful. So guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back again soon with another wig review. Take care, bye.